Youthquake, and this week on Youthquake we are discussing what the fake, not what you were thinking. I'm Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor, and we are going to be discussing that for the past 1 week, we've had ABVP's president, the elected president, being mired into a new controversy. If violence on campus, EVMs malfunctioning, that wasn't enough, now the campus politics has come to the degree that the degree of the president of Delhi University, who was chosen from ABVP, his degree has come into question. Now, today we are here, we have one representative, Shakti, coming in from ABVP. We've got Akshay coming from NSUI, and we're going to do a presidential debate of sorts to decide was it fake or not. And we've also got an audience here who believes the degree is not the only fake thing on campus. There are several other things that are fake as well. But let's begin with the issue of degree. Shakti, I have to say that I did call Ankiv for the president, whose degree is now under question, for this debate. He promised he will come, but then he backtracked last minute. He told me when I spoke with him over the phone that he's out of the city. I asked him two simple questions. I said, if you say that you went to a particular college, you went to a particular degree, what was your course? He said BA. I said, what subjects? He said English and some other. I said, what some other? He did not have an answer. Do you have an answer?
NSY, पहले तो मैं NSY के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ.
नहीं, आप पहले डिग्री के बारे में बताइए. अनकिव की डिग्री के बारे में बताइए. क्या वो फेक है, क्या वो नहीं है?
इसका डिसीजन हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी करेगी. यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन करेगी. और जिस कॉलेज से डिग्री मिली है वहाँ से इसकी रिपोर्ट आएगी. इसके लिए मैं कुछ भी कमेंट इस पे करना.
जिस डिग्री और जिस कॉलेज की आप बात कर रहे हैं उसकी रिपोर्ट मेरे हाथ में है. दिस इज व्हाट द रिपोर्ट of the Tiruvallur University says, based out in Vellore. It says very clearly that the certificate, it says with reference to the above, it is informed that the copy of the certificate of following candidate being Ankiv Baisoya, is found to be, the found certificate is said to be not genuine and fake. We had our reporters in the university go and speak to the chancellor there. The chancellor came out to say that there are roughly around 100 colleges affiliated to this particular university. In none of these 100 colleges does feature the name of Ankiv Basoya. 100 colleges ने बोल दिया है कि उनका नाम कभी था ही नहीं. इतना बड़ा वायलेशन कैसे हो गया ABVP से?
इसका इशू डेट क्या है?
इसका इशू डेट आप पढ़ सकते हैं. 7 तारीख लिखा हुआ है. 7
तारीख. तो 7 तारीख को जब ये रिपोर्ट आई तब NSY कहाँ पे थी? इलेक्शंस तो बाद.
1 सेकेंड, ये साइन कब हुआ उसकी बात नहीं. आप इसलिए कह रहे हैं, आप इस रिपोर्ट को क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. आप कह रहे हैं ये रिपोर्ट फेक है. तो NSY कह रही है कि उनकी डिग्री फेक है, आप बोल रहे हैं ये रिपोर्ट फेक है.
बिल्कुल
यही कहना है बस आप.
बिल्कुल रिपोर्ट फेक है. 7 तारीख को इस पे साइन हो चुकी है और 7 तारीख को ये इशू हो गई थी.
अगर ये फेक है तो असली रिपोर्ट कहाँ है? ये पूरी डिबेट 5 मिनट में खत्म हो सकती है अगर आप असली रिपोर्ट, असली सर्टिफिकेट सामने लाएं. पहले तो आप वो सामने नहीं लाए हैं. पहले तो आप वो सामने नहीं लेकर आए हैं. दूसरा, जिन जनाब की बात हो रही है अनकिव, वो अब गायब हो गए हैं, वो भाग गए हैं. कहाँ गए हैं?
नहीं, वो अभी आउट ऑफ सिटी है. और इसकी रिपोर्ट आप लोग के सामने जल्दी ही आ जाएगी. हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी और हमारी टीम भी वहाँ गई हुई है.
Did you have something for him?
I have a lot of things to say to him and his party. पहली चीज़ जो इन्होंने कहा कि ये फेक है, NSA प्रोपेगेंडा फैला रही है. और ये लेटर पे इन लोगों ने पहले अच्छे से अपने ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट में कहा कि लेटर फेक है, इस लेटर पे कोई डेट नहीं है. फिर ये लोग ऊपर देखना नीचे भूल गए कि साइन करते समय कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ने डेट डाली हुई है 7 सितंबर की. 7th of September 2018 की डेट कंट्रोलर ने डाली. वो लेटर फिर साइन होने की डेट 7 तारीख थी. वो बाय पोस्ट फिर तमिलनाडु में जिस आदमी ने वो एप्लीकेशन लगाई थी कांग्रेस पार्टी से, वो उनके पास पहुंचा. वो लेटर फिर हमारे पास आया. क्या हमारी ये गलती है कि हमने एप्लीकेशन लेट लगाई, या आपकी गलती नहीं है कि आप फेक सर्टिफिकेट लगा रहे हैं?
अक्षय, just 1 second, just to play the devil's advocate here. I know this is your day. NSUI will go and beat their thumb and say, yes, we've done it. And perhaps so.
This is not
but just to play the devil's advocate, why wasn't this brought out before the elections? Why did it take so long?
Voting took place on 12th of September. Okay. The counting took place on 13th of September. This letter was signed on 7th. And by speed post it was sent to Tamil Nadu. Do you really expect us to कॉल अप तमिलनाडु अगेन एंड अगेन एंड आस्क फॉर द लेटर टू कम बैक। लोगों ने कही कि इनके सर्टिफिकेट्स फेक थे। आप एक ऐसे छात्र से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में राजनीति कर रहा है, लेकिन वो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी, इग्नू यूनिवर्सिटी और तमाम यूनिवर्सिटी को छोड़कर तमिलनाडु पढ़ने के लिए जाता है। और जब कोर्स के बारे में पूछा गया तो उनको किसी कोर्स का, सब्जेक्ट का नाम ध्यान नहीं, अपने किसी एचओडी का, किसी टीचर का नाम ध्यान नहीं। और बहुत दुख की बात-
Akshay, I want to give Shakti a point to rebut. I think what Akshay is effectively saying is also one of the ways to prove your innocence in this case, if I will say, is कि अंकित सीरियसली बात कर सकते थे ना। मैंने उनसे जब बातचीत करी फ़ोन पर, मैंने कहा कि आपके दोस्त थे वहाँ पर जो वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं, आप वहाँ पर थे? उन्होंने कहा मैंने कहा कि आपके टीचर्स हैं जो वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं। आप यूनिवर्सिटी में, यू कैंट बी अ घोस्ट स्टूडेंट, राइट? यू हैव टू हैव अ प्रेजेंस। Is there no evidence on the ground that for the past 4 days you haven't been able to bring out a single evidence in your favor?
पहले तो मैं इनको बोलना चाहूँगा कि आज ये सिद्धांतों को याद कर रहे हैं। पिछले वर्ष जब एक क्रिमिनल को आपने टिकट दिया और दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय का नेतृत्व,
इस वर्ष की बात कर रहे हैं, हम इस वर्ष की बात कर रहे हैं, हम डिग्री की बात कर रहे हैं।
कोर्ट नहीं, मैं रॉकी नहीं, मैं आपके लास्ट
We'll do this, we'll do it with a lot of civility. So we'll maintain decorum, and you had a point.
नहीं, हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने सारी चीजें वेरीफाई की थी और मैं ये विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि ये डिग्री भी जरूर सामने आप लोग के सामने
तो
जल्दी
अंकित ने एबीवीपी से भी झूठ बोला?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, किसी से भी
तो
अंकित
आपको
ने-
पता था कि ये
अंकित
फेक है?
ने झूठ ही नहीं बोला। ये डिग्री फेक है ही नहीं। इसकी रिपोर्ट आप लोग के सामने 1 से 2 दिन में जरूर आ जाएगी।
1 से 2 दिन और लगेंगे इस पर। Okay, I'll give you the last one. Last point, and I'll open it.
That's my last point. जो एक और एलिगेशन यहाँ पर लगाए गए कि कौन क्रिमिनल है, कौन क्रिमिनल, उसमें बाद में जाना चाहूँगा, लेकिन एक जो बात मेरी अधूरी रहेगी, सबसे ज़रूरी बात, अंकित बसोया ना सिर्फ थिरुवल्लर यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़े, उससे पहले वो कॉलेज ऑफ वोकेशनल स्टडीज़, जो खुद मेरा ही कॉलेज है, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में, वहाँ पर इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर के छात्र थे। और वहाँ पर आप उनकी, मैं ये बात मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, आप में से कोई भी गूगल यूज़ करके CVS कॉलेज की वेबसाइट खोलिए, उसमें अटेंडेंस शीट आप लोग निकालिए। उनका नाम है 5th सेमेस्टर, 6th सेमेस्टर, और आप सभी लोग DU से ही हो। ट्यूटोरियल का मतलब समझते हो? वो ना सिर्फ क्लास ले रहे थे, वो वहाँ पर ट्यूटोरियल भी अटेंड कर रहे थे और उनको अटेंडेंस भी मिली हुई है उस
तो
चीज़ की।
अगर वो कर रहे थे तो उन्होंने अपनी डिग्री क्यों नहीं दिखाई है?
तो ये सवाल तो हम इनसे पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि भैया जब आप वहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हो,
शक्ति, NSUI, शक्ति NSUI आपके बिहाफ पे अपना रिसर्च करके लेकर आए और उन्होंने प्रूफ कराए कि वो स्टूडेंट थे। अगर वो स्टूडेंट थे तो डिग्री कहाँ है?
मुझे इस बात की जानकारी नहीं है। मुझको ये जरूर पता है कि वो तमिलनाडु के, नहीं बिल्कुल।
Your smile is giving away a lot of details right now. That's okay. बोलिए बोलिए, हम आपको मौका देंगे। हाँ।
मैं बस इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जिस यूनिवर्सिटी के सर्टिफिकेट लगा है वो पूरा जेन्युइन है और जल्द ही आपके सामने वो चीज़ें जरूर आ जाएंगी।
ये पिछले 10 मिनट में आप 5 बार बोल चुके हैं। But I want to at this point open up this debate for everybody sitting here, and I want to understand from you, it's not just a matter of fake degree, which is a grave concern, if not just, it is criminal, number one. He fooled not just his own party, but the university as well, and thus the question, hasn't this entire episode brought out how incompetent the Delhi University campus and their people have also been? They could not even verify the degree. This is a failure on the part of the Delhi University as well.
Right, so I think there are a lot of things that are going on fake into the campuses. So there are fake manifestos that have been raised. So it's not just ABVP that's doing the thing. Even NSUI is responsible for all of this.
Okay, like?
Like,
Okay, one second. Let him answer. Don't bully like this.
so for example, there are fake manifestos that have been raised. So they talk about that a person from their side jumped off in front of the metro so that metro rails could be reduced. And then they talk about other manifestos like hostels.
I think agendas during the elections, they are really, really fake.
The main thing that they want to achieve is power rather than fulfilling what is the main motive, that they are the student union. So they need to stand for the students. And they come here just for power, that they will be now ruling all over Delhi University. Their agendas, as she talked about, are all
Saying fake motives, that means. NSUI, do you want to take up that question?
I want to take all of this question
Yeah.
and I want to ask you, Shakti, one more thing.
First you answer, I'll ask him.
Okay. The first point is having a dual degree is a crime as per the UGC, you know that. And he was enrolled in CVS also and Trivullar University also, that's a crime. Second crime, he faked his Tiruvullar University certificate. That is the second crime. And third crime is that he signed up the affidavit during the DUSU election nomination saying that all the information furnished under this nomination are true to my fact. Third crime. Next thing coming to, you told me that someone jumped in front of the Delhi Metro to stop the fare hike. I was the one to jump in front of the Delhi Metro on 8th of October 2017, just because I want every single student to get the concession metro pass. And you know what happened after that? The Delhi government and central government, both of them agreed that we'll take up this fare hike. Because in 2017, 100% fare hike was done and NSA was the only one, and I was from my party, that I jumped in front of the metro to stop the metro and asked that we need concession right now.
What are the fares of Delhi Metro right now?
You're starting from 18 rupees and 35 and 52 rupees.
What were they 1 year back?
Approximately 70% less, and it was 100% cumulative increment.
So you're saying you jumped in front of Metro, but the rates are still almost 100% up.
No, ma'am. A fare fixation committee planned a fare hike on 9th of October, and we stopped the metro on 8th of October. And a nationwide protest was held also. And so the DMRC decided not to do the fare hike because in 2017, it was the third fare hike. Let me bring it to your notice in October. And Mr. Harjeet Puri, the Minister of Urban Development, has finally agreed that they are planning up a mechanism to set up a concession pass for both student and the old ages. And
Planning has been going on for quite some time. This planning has been on for quite some time. Yeah.
What I want to say is that either the degree is fake as produced by ABVP, or the allegations posted by NSUI are fake. Whatever it is, the integrity of both the parties is being questioned and we don't know where to put our faith in. So that's what we need to understand.
I wanted to talk about the fake candidate thing. There were dummy candidates. Everybody, like, when they came to us asking for votes, they talked about the fact that there are
Which
dummy
parties?
candidates. I don't know about the parties, but there were dummy candidates in all the parties. They had set up, and everybody who came to us asking for votes, they were like, remember the ballot number because there's a dummy candidate that's standing. Also fake supporters.
Students here are saying that they're not just fake degrees and fake promises, but fake leaders in terms of fake candidates and dummy candidates and fake supporters. What is your stand on that?
पहले तो मैं सबको बोलना चाहूँगा कि हम लोग पूरे साल हम लोग हमेशा स्टूडेंट के वेलफेयर के लिए काम करते हैं. हमको मेजॉरिटी आप लोग की मेजॉरिटी हमको
In हम में, and they're laughing right now,
yeah.
and in हम में क्या fake supporters भी होते हैं?
नो.
You all know about what happened during the election campaigning and convincing. आप लोग second, third year में सभी लोग होंगे. You guys all know what happened in Zakir Hussain College 2 days before the voting. Who was the ABVP candidate जब वो violence सारा का सारा हो रहा था? Do you know? He was the one. और जब वहाँ पर पत्थर डंडे लेकर आपने वीडियो देखा होगा, रॉड लेकर वो लोग कॉलेज के अंदर घुस रहे हैं. डू यू एक्सपेक्ट कि एक ड्यू का स्टूडेंट कैंपेनिंग करने के लिए जाएगा और हाथ में एक रॉड लेके चल रहा हो कि हाँ भैया मैं किसी कैंपेनिंग करवाने
You're
के लिए जा रहा
accusing Shakti of violence. Shakti, I'll give you time to respond to that. Yeah.
उस वीडियो में एनएसवाई के डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट उस वीडियो में साफ दिखाई दे रहे हैं आसिफ खान. वो उस कॉलेज कैंपस में क्या कर रहे थे? नहीं 200 उसका हाँ हाँ या
आपका ये कहना है कि एनएसयूआई का डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट शक्ति सिंह जब माला पहनेंगे तो उसकी कैंपेनिंग करवाने के लिए डंडा लेके साथ में चलेगा. और वो 200 लोग कौन थे जो आपको माला पहना के आपका स्वागत कर रहे हैं?
Okay, calm down. I want to give a chance to Shakti. I want to give Shakti a chance to reply. Yeah.
यहाँ पे एक एनएसवाई का सबसे एक एंट्री रोकने का यहाँ पे एक माहौल बनाने का एक एंट्री रोकने की इन लोग की एक प्रथा चली आ रही है. उसी तरीके से उस दिन भी आसिफ खान वहाँ पे एंट्री रोकने के लिए अपने गुंडों को लेके एनएसवाई के कुछ लोगों को लेके वहाँ पे खड़ा था. उसी कॉलेज के मैं 3 लोग के साथ उस कॉलेज में गया था. वहाँ के मेरे सपोर्टर्स ने मुझको एंट्री कराई क्योंकि मेरा उस दिन कैंपेनिंग का लास्ट डे था और मैं एक बार भी मैं जाकिर हुसैन में कैंपेनिंग करने के लिए नहीं गया.
Okay, you've clarified your stand.
Apart from the fake degrees and all, there are fake ideologies as well. As we know, NSUI and AVP both represent the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi and Swami Vivekanand. But right now, there is increased violence from both these parties, so their ideologies doesn't stand anywhere.
Fake ideologies as well. I will give NSUI and ABVP a chance to respond to that. Yeah.
Many times you have used the word fake. So last year NSUI was in power, right? This year ABP won the public mandate. But Do you even recall the NSUI's manifesto? We have been working on it. और 4 साल में
But that's what Akshay, that's what they're saying. They're saying they never get to even get their hands on it because all they, I'm telling you, because all they get is the number. They get vote on this particular number and nobody talks about ideology.
Let me complete. You asked us about what was your achievements और आपने manifesto जब गिनवाया गया हमने मैनिफेस्टो में क्लियरली मेंशन किया कि 24/7 लाइब्रेरी आप लोगों के लिए करेंगे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की लाइब्रेरी 2400 घंटे नहीं खुलती थी हम लोगों ने पिछले साल रात भर बैठकर लाइब्रेरी सत्याग्रह किया और आपकी लाइब्रेरी 24/7 खुल रही है अगली बार
हमने वेट पहले तो ये जो बोल रहे हैं उस पे मैं उस पे काउंटर करना चाहूँगा एक्सक्यूज मी
Okay, 1 second. You're saying they're not functional?
Yeah, we have a sanitary pad machine in our girls' common room. It is not at all functional. Nothing comes out of it.
This is like an instant reality check. NSUI is saying that they installed sanitary napkin machines, vending machines last year. Here people are saying it's not working at all.
पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि ये 10,000 छात्राओं ने ABVP की इसके लिए मैराथन का आयोजन हुआ था जिसकी हमारी जनरल सेक्रेटरी महामेधा नागर ने इसको इनिशिएट किया था जिसको सैनिटरी पैड जिसमें सैनिटरी पैड टैक्स फ्री हुआ था वो एक ABVP की अचीवमेंट थी और बिल पास हुआ है कि पूरे 52 कॉलेजेस में सैनिटरी पैड वेंडिंग मशीन लगेगी अभी लग नहीं पाई है और वो हम उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि इसी वर्ष वो पूरी 52 कॉलेज में इंस्टॉल होगी
More questions, yeah, you had.
Want to ask
I like her t-shirt, it says Sanskari.
okay he said that कि उन्होंने बिल पास करवाया है हम आप पे कैसे भरोसा कर सकते हैं कि आप ये सच बोल रहे हैं जब आपके जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है उनकी डिग्री फेक है उन्हें आप प्रूफ नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो ये पॉइंट आप कैसे प्रूफ कर सकते हो कि वो पास हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है
I had a question for him. He's been bragging about कि मैं मेट्रो के सामने कूद गया and but you accepted, right? You jumped in the front of the metro. So my question is, you're standing on a position and you're giving out messages like these. So what do you expect? There are people who are not even educated and you are educated and you're just bragging about it that I jumped in front of the metro क्योंकि मुझे fare कम कराने थे.
What sort of change are you looking for? You have today representatives from both parties. You have a chance to tell them. What is it that you want them to achieve?
I want them to make more positive claims and make them make claims that are more realistic and that they can actually fulfill. Instead of making claims that are in heaven or they cannot be fulfilled, they should make more realistic and something which is related to more of the students, right?
Yeah, more of the students and not fight like this on TV, but actually talk about something concrete. Yeah, you will not fight and you will speak properly. Yeah, tell me now. Yeah.
She alleged that I was bragging about. He raised the question. He didn't specify my name. He told me that someone from
But
NSUI
you did brag, Akshay.
It's not bragging. NSUI has been protesting against fare hike for the past 2 years. And despite regular memorandums to the university, to the state government, to the DMRC and central government, they failed us.
But that's not her question. That's not her question. Her question is that all these years, when there was no fake degree, or not that we know of so far, that you made promises, you were in power as well. The students here are saying you haven't been able to convince them that you did something concrete on ground when it comes to women's safety. Is that what your question is?
ABVP was there in DUSU for the past 3 years. NSUI just won for the first time. And for the first time, ma'am, and let me complete, ma'am. And for the very first time, library was made 24/7. Sanitary pad vending machine
Women's safety, that's my question.
Yeah. UGC की गाइडलाइन थी 2016 की कि हर कॉलेज में एक ICC कमेटी होनी चाहिए टू फाइट सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के हर कॉलेज में जब सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट के मुद्दे आ रहे थे तो NSUI ने मुद्दा उठाया और UGC की गाइडलाइन को 2016 की गाइडलाइन को हम लोगों ने इंप्लीमेंट करवाने के लिए चाहे भारती कॉलेज हो दौलत राम कॉलेज हो फिर साइंस फैकल्टी ऑफ केमिस्ट्री हो वहां पर हम लोगों ने ICC कमेटी अब हर कॉलेज के अंदर डेमोक्रेटिकली इलेक्टेड है मैम डेमोक्रेटिकली हर कॉलेज के अंदर इलेक्टेड हम लोगों ने उसको इंप्लीमेंट
NSUI is talking about everything that is there. On ground, do you agree with him? Is it happening? Yeah, this is happening? Yeah.
This is happening, but I have a question here. I have been observing that whenever you ask a question to a representative of a single party, instead of telling about their own party, they are busy in interjecting the others and countering others. And that's actually, you are telling about ABVP and their mistakes are not what.
No, ma'am. You just asked about.
And what about the realities? What about the realities?
हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पिछले साल भी वुमेन सेफ्टी के लिए वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए हम लोगों ने 3 कॉन्फ्रेंस हमने ऑर्गेनाइज़ की थी, जिसमें हमने वुमेन सेफ्टी के लिए हमने काम किया था।
हाँ.
और जिसमें जो सैनिटरी पैड्स की है वो पूरी की पूरी हमारी ABVP की दी हुई चीज़ें हैं, उसको इस तरीके से NSY
Alright,
उसको
I
take
have
over
to,
करने
I have to end here, but I must say that it's been an interesting debate. ABVP is trying to say that they still want more time to come out with a degree. Time for what? How long does it take to come out with a degree? I remember when I was a student, there was always a copy that I had in my hand. Why is it taking ABVP so long? And also the general anger and angst that people have, and they feel that their elected representatives do not really represent the real issues, and they are hungry for power, if I've got that right. But also then the question, and I have to end by saying this, how many of you voted this election? You all did. So if you did, and this is what do you feel, then things are perhaps going to change. For now, we are saying what the fake should change. That's it on Youthquake this week. Thank you so much for watching. If you have feedback, you can write to us at myouthquake@ndtv.com, and we'll come to your campus and we'll talk about issues that matter to you, the young in the country. For now, thank you for watching.